Hello everyone and welcome. I decided I'd try and start recording my development progress on a game I'm working on. Hopefully down the road I can look back when I'm a successful indie game developer and see all the progress I've made. So I guess we'll get started here. Right now what I want to work on is making a variation of this portal that I have. Right now we have just this I guess blue, I'm terrible with colors, I guess it's blue portal where if you're in the range of it and press an action, it'll transport you to a linked portal. What I want to do here is make a variant of that where if you run into it, it'll automatically transport you to a linked portal. Just to kind of change it up. Prefabs, effects, portal, here it is. Let's drag this into the scene. It's really small. Okay. I'm gonna unpack this just to make it a clean one and keep it there. First, I'm just gonna change the color of it just to make it look different. Red. What is this? Is this right? Okay. Yeah, this one. Make this a red color. Spray is gonna stay that color. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Alright. We'll keep that black. So I want to keep the class that's attached to both of them the same. So I'm just going to modify the same script. So right now we have the players in range, press E, and then it goes. Create a public bool. Call it automatic, or actually teleports on enter. How about that? Equals false. And so I have this on trigger enter 2D. Okay, so I can do right here, if teleport on enter is true, then we can do something here, which I wanted to do this. So what I'll probably do is just take all of this, create a separate method for that. Void teleport and paste that in. And then go here, just type that in, teleport. And then we'll just call that right here as well. So let's see if this works. Right, first I'm just gonna make sure the previous one still works. Okay, and it does. And we get a except in here because I haven't assigned this one to anything. So I'll just make a copy of this right next to each other. I'll attach my player to it, all this stuff, and then the portal is gonna be this go-to. And check that, that's the new boolean we just created. So hopefully, once I enter in this portal here, I'll be transported to this other one automatically. Okay, it worked, but I had to jump into it. I think that's just because it was too high. Let's try again. Awesome, it worked. This one still doesn't have anything, so... exception, so let me just put in some error handling stuff in here. Variable player of the portal has not been assigned. If player is do all this. And that can be left alone. Let's see if this makes it happy. Okay, awesome. Excellent. The next thing I want to do is, I have this script and it is changing the color. It's not keeping the same red, so go to not that one, this one, color. Copy this color, paste it in here. Okay. See if it looks consistent. Okay, that's good. I didn't change that one, so we're looking good. All right. Delete. Actually, you know what? I need to, because if there's nothing attached to it, oh, that's alright. Delete that, and I'm gonna make a portal prefab of this portal automatic. Drag it in my prefabs. effects, so it's right under that one. Okay, delete that. Alright, next what I want to do is kind of, so my plan is to, so my next, I guess, task for this project is to make kind of like a boss fight. It's gonna be really simple because I'm not the best. But I wanna, so I have these current portals in here that require the player to kind of make an action to teleport them to the next one. And in this boss fight, I wanna have the variations of that portal. So the player needs to kind of jump over it. Well, alright, so the idea is the boss is gonna kind of try to like follow or chase the player. You gotta run away, and the idea for those, my dog just walked down. The idea is that new portal that we just created is gonna try to kind of, I guess, slow down the player, make them think. Sherlock, come here. Anyways, so the player needs to like avoid those portals specifically to kind of get away from the boss. Okay, so let me go to another area because I don't want to put them in here. Sherlock. Okay, I'll just try putting it here. See how that looks. Find it, portal, automatic. Where did I put the portals? Bottom. Yes. Okay. Automatic. Same size. It's kind of big. Okay. So the player is gonna avoid these guys, jump here, and jump over here. So this is gonna be the one that puts them back. And it's just gonna throw them back here. Actually, I'm gonna make them a bit smaller because the player needs to jump over them. I think that'll work. This size. Attach the player. Nope. I don't need to attach that on this one. Player. Go to this one. I'll just plop my guy right here. Alright, let's see if this works. So these guys, they kind of shine a security light, which you gotta avoid. Jump, jump. So, okay, alright, cool. That works. See if I can jump over it. Alright, cool. Exception. Sherlock, come here. Come here. Sherlock. Oh, okay, that's giving me an exception. Sherlock, come here. Fix that. Sherlock, come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Okay, so awesome. So I wanted to introduce that idea before actually throwing it at the player during the boss fight. Hopefully they'll remember that and recognize, oh, I need to jump over these ones versus I need to do some action for the blue ones. I guess I'll end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'd like to make another one maybe sometime soon. See how it turns out. Anyways, thanks for watching.